Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Students, today we solve practice sheet 5 of class 4 mathematics DAV Public School for your annual exam 2024-25. We already completed practice sheet 1 to 4. If you missed that after this session, then you can check. So let us start the session. Today we solve some important questions of mixed chapter of your annual syllabus. So take pen and paper and start with me. If you are new in my channel, then you can subscribe my channel for more content. So first question number 1. The number of seconds in 1 hour. Okay, this is important. So we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Yes or no? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Also we know that 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Now 60 into 60, that is 3600 seconds, means 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. Next, the biggest unit of capacity, that is kiloliter, that is KL. kg is the biggest unit of the weight and the ml is smallest unit of capacity. Okay, and the standard unit of the capacity is liter. Next, which of the following is an equivalent fraction of 8 by 12? Okay, 8 by 12 means first we divide, that is divided by 4. Sir, why we divide, why we not multiply? Because all the fraction are less from 8 by 12. That's why we divide. If we divide any number with 8, then we get either 3, either 4, either 1, either 2. Because if you multiply 2 with 8, then we get either 16. Yes or no, means bigger number. That's why here we divide. So divide, and if you divide the number, both numerator and the denominator, not only one. Okay, so if you divide 4 with 8, that is the answer is 2. If we divide with 12, that is 3. If 2 by 3 is given, yes, so answer is 2 by 3. Next, the area of the rectangle of the length 1 meter, breadth is 25 centimeters. So different unit means we convert into same unit. So convert 1 meter, how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. So 100 into 25, that is 2500 centimeter square or square centimeter, not only centimeter. So first option is wrong. So option number 2I is the correct answer. Next, question number. The volume of the cube of edge is 1 centimeter. So 1 same, because when you multiply 1 into any times, then the always is 1. So answer is 1 cubic centimeter. So 1 cubic centimeter, option number I. Next, subtract 112 liter 456 milliliter from 300 liter. Means from means first we write down 300 liter. So write down 300 liter. We subtract 112 liter and 456 milliliter. So here is nothing, means 000. Now we subtract 0 minus 6, that is 4. 9 minus 5, that is 4. 9 minus 4, that is 5. 9 minus 2, that is 7. 9 minus 1, that is 8. 2 minus 1, that is 1. So answer is 187 and 544 milliliter. Next, question number B. Find the sum. Okay, so first write down 30983 gram. Now we can write 63782 gram. So addition 3 plus 2, that is 5 8 plus 8 16, carry 1. 9 plus 1 10 plus 7 17, carry 1. 3 plus 1 4, 6 plus 3 9. This gram, but we write in kg and gram. Kg and gram means simply we write last 3 digit and in the gram place means 765 gram and the remaining is kg, that is 94 kg. Okay, next write the equivalent fraction of 10 by 15 with denominator 5. Okay, the first one is 10 by 25 equal to denominator 5. So find the numerator. This is the case of division. If we divide 5, then we get 5. Simply we divide 5 with numerator, that is 2. So answer is 2. Now 2y. 10 by 25 equal to numerator is 40 by dash, because we find the denominator. So 10, if we multiply 4, then we get 40. Similarly, we multiply 4 with 25, then we get the denominator, that is 100. Next. So completed today practice sheet 5. In next video we solve practice sheet 6. If you are new in my channel, then you can subscribe my channel. When I upload the video, then you can notify. If you want to download the PDF, then you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group. Link are in the description below. All the best for your annual exam. Take care and keep practicing.